How to check block list on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on the phone. Scroll down to find and tap on Blocked Contacts. Now, you can view all the contacts that are blocked. You can also add new contacts to block by tapping on Add New. By blocking contacts, you will not receive phone calls, messages, email, or FaceTime from the people on the block list. Following these steps, you can easily check the block list on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.